In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Facebook Marketplace alerts. By the end, you'll have smart notifications that tell you the moment something you want is listed, so you can act quickly and get the best deals. Start by opening Facebook, either in the mobile app or in your web browser. From the main menu, choose Marketplace. On mobile, it usually looks like a little shopfront icon. On desktop, you'll find Marketplace in the left sidebar. If you don't see it right away, tap or click the menu and scroll until you find it. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to receive alerts. Once you're in Marketplace, use the search bar at the top. Type the item you want to keep an eye on, something like iPhone, sofa, or any specific model you're after. Before you save anything, refine the search so your alerts are precise. Adjust filters such as price range, location radius, item condition, and delivery method if available. Dial in the distance to focus on nearby pickups, or choose shipping if that's your preference. The more accurate your filters are, the more relevant your future alerts will be. After you've set up the search and you see results that match what you want, look for an option labeled Save Search or Get Alerts. Tap or click that, then confirm by selecting Save. This tells Facebook to watch for new listings that match your keywords and filters. You can repeat this process for other items you're tracking later, and each saved search will create its own stream of alerts. To make sure you actually receive those alerts, open your Facebook settings and go to Notifications. Find the section labeled Marketplace, then turn on Notifications. Here you can choose how you'd like to be notified: push notifications on your phone, in-app alerts, and email notifications if you prefer. The exact layout can vary slightly between mobile and desktop, but the Marketplace notification controls will be in this area. If you're not seeing alerts on your phone, also check your device's notification permissions to ensure Facebook notifications are allowed. From now on, whenever a new listing matches your saved search, Facebook will send you a notification. Tap the alert to jump straight into the listing details and message the seller if you're interested. If the alerts feel too broad, return to your saved search, tighten the price, narrow the location, or add more specific keywords, then save again. If you're missing items, loosen one or two filters to capture more results. That's it, your marketplace alerts are set. With your searches saved and notifications enabled, you'll be among the first to know when the perfect deal goes live.